Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you, and I'm excited about this Dollar Tree haul because it was just an idea that had come to me while I was in the store looking around. Mainly I was thinking, I really don't need anything in here, and then I started thinking about how cute certain items were, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to put together a kind of like a Christmas kickoff or a December kickoff basket for my girls. And then I also decided that I wanted to do one for my mother as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I picked up at the Dollar Tree. But then at the end, I'll just show you what these baskets look like after I get them put together. Yeah, I've been seeing these cute little Santa Claus-like baskets out at the Dollar Tree. And I just kind of passed them by or whatever, but they really are cute. And I'm going to kind of do like a little Santa Claus theme for my mom. And I just think it's be something that she would really like. And I try to choose things that I thought she would get into. And so one of the things that I picked up for her to go in her little basket is this little, I guess it's like a little solar operated swing type thing. I'm sure that anybody who's went to the Dollar Tree has seen these things, and she has just about every one of them, but I don't think I have seen her with this one. And I think this one is actually fairly new, so it's really cute, and I did get that to put in her little basket. In addition to that, I also picked her up one of these light bulb necklaces. Now I think she did get one of these last year, but I don't even know if she remembers what she did with it or if it even still works. So I did pick her up another one of these. My mother is very festive. Whenever we have get-togethers or anything like that, she's always the one that's decked out in all her party wear. So I got her some of those. And then I did get her some of these little light bulb earrings. They had green and red. And I did check to make sure that these were not overly heavy because they look like they would be, but they're not. They're pretty lightweight. So I think she's really going to love this. And then I also picked her up some little Santa Claus socks. And she likes wearing all kinds of little socks like this. But let me see if I can open it up where you can actually see his face better on here without me having to take him out of the pack. But this is what's on the top of the foot here. It's just Santa's face. And this is really soft material for his beard. And then it's got the little snowflakes and stuff on the socks. So I did get her those. And then I wanted to get her a little bit of candy, but not go overboard with it. She likes these Brock's Peppermint Christmas Nougats. I don't really care for this kind of candy, but she likes it. So I'm getting this to put in her basket. And then I also got her one of these little elves. She likes little things like this. And she's staying with us, and she's been decorating up her little bedroom with little holiday decorations and things. And I think she would probably really like to have him to set on her bed or on a dresser or something like that. So I am going to put that in her little basket that I'm going to be giving her. Also, I did pick up some of this fragrance sachet. And this is in cinnamon stick. And let me just tell you what, this thing, it smells so good. And it looks like you get 2 packs. I actually might go back and get one for Madeline and Caitlin. I did not buy them any. But, these things are really good. You could put them in a closet. You could put them in a drawer, wherever, especially when you want to smell like Christmas in your room. So I'm going to put that in my mom's basket. But like I said, I may go back and get, one for my girls as well. And then I did get my mom a Christmas card, and it just says Christmas blessings for a wonderful mom. Looks like this. It says a mother is a giver, and what sets her apart is that all through the year she gives from her heart. Thanking God for this beautiful season, the precious blessing of family, and the extra special blessing of you, with much love at Christmas and always. I kind of had to be careful about picking out this card for my mom. I don't know if everybody knows. I'm sure you don't, but my father passed away back in August, and this year would have been my mom and dad's 57th wedding anniversary. They actually got married 4 days after Christmas, and so this is going to be a very hard, sad time for her. And I just, had to be careful about how I picked out the card and the wording that was on it, because, you just, when someone's grieving like that, you want them to be happy, but telling them you hope they have the happiest Christmas, of all, and all this just doesn't really, work very well for that. So we're trying to do whatever we can to, show my mom as much love as we possibly can. And you know, try and help her to get through this holiday season without my dad. But anyway, I did get that for her. So she is going to get her a little welcome basket. And just to let y'all know, I am going to be giving these baskets to them on Thanksgiving night. This would be something you could give on December 1st, really whenever you want to. But if you're going to do like a kickoff type, you know, Christmas season basket, I would suggest doing it either on Thanksgiving or very shortly after. So now I'm going to go and tell you or show you the things that I got from my girls. And what started me into getting this basket anyway was this here. I don't know what it is about this basket, but I just loved it. And I've seen it several times and I really like the shape of it. I just think it's really pretty. I love the color of green it is. And every time I'd look at it, I thought, golly, this would make such a nice basket to use for Christmas. And then I would think, oh, I don't really know of anybody I'd give this to. But then I was like, you know, when this idea hit me yesterday, I grabbed it immediately. So both of their stuff is going in this basket. They don't care about baskets, so once they get all their goodies out, I'm sure I'm going to get this back. I got each one of them just a little stuffed animal. I guess this one is like a reindeer with a little buffalo check, and then I got Caitlin a little dog, and he's got a little scarf on and a Santa hat. Do wish he would have had some little fur around his hat, but I don't know. I may figure out something to add to that. But I got them those. And then I got 2 pair of socks. I got one that looks like little elf shoes. They probably will not wear these to school, but they will wear them around the house, I'm sure. And then this has got the little Christmas llama on it. Let me see if I can open that up so you can see. This is going to be on the top of the foot. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to get so much of this llama, but anyway, you get the gist of what he looks like. So I got those. And then I got these. I don't know if they'll wear these, but I just thought they were so cute. And I thought, you know what, even if they just wear them to our family get together or on Christmas morning when they're opening up their Christmas presents, or just to be silly, you know, and take pictures on Instagram and Snapchat, because they love doing stuff like that. But I just think these are so cute. So I did get them each, you know, some little reindeer antlers. And I really love how the sequins on here, just, and the colors just really pop. And they got the little deer ears on them, which is adorable. So I got them each one of those. And then I saw this glitter in the beauty section. This one is called Luster. It's just body glitter. And then this one is a Pinkaholic. And I thought, you know what, this one might be pretty. You're trying to be festive for the holidays. You rub some glitter on their cheeks, you know, and I don't know. I just thought that might be something I would do when I was their age. And so also I got these little candy cane spoons. I thought those were really cute. They do like the mint hot chocolate. And when we buy the Swiss Miss Holiday Edition hot chocolates every year, the mint ones always get gone the fastest. And I know that peppermint maybe tastes a little bit different than the chocolate mint, but I thought, well, maybe they can take just a regular milk chocolate, and if they stir it up with a spoon, you know, it'll turn into mint chocolate, and then that will just give us more mint chocolate hot chocolate to use. But I thought those were really cute and festive, so I did pick up some of those. And then I got them each some spearmint. This is called Fresh Mints. Tic Tacs. And then I also got them some Trident gum. And one is in peppermint and the other one is in spearmint. I just feel like for this time of year, the cool flavors go with the season. So I did get that for them. And then I also got them each a card as well. Let me see. I love their card section. I could stand there and look at their cards all day long. But I do have to say, I do like the handmade cards, but I think they have better Christmas cards out, you know, like the regular Hallmark cards. I like them better than the ones that they've got out on display for like the handmade type cards this year. I just think they're so much prettier. So I got this one. This one says, "Daughter, you're the best Christmas gift of all." And all these do have glitter on them. "Because you bring all kinds of happiness just by being who you are. Merry Christmas." And then the other one that I got says, "A daughter makes life sparkle." Thought that was really pretty. And it's thinking of you and the closeness we share, thinking of all the Christmases that have been brighter, happier, sweeter because of you. And so I did get those. I actually had more daughter Christmas cards or daughter cards than they usually do. Usually they have like one really good card and then the other ones are okay. And I just cannot give one of my kids a card that has a better saying in it than the other. So I have a hard time sometimes trying to find the cards for them. And I was really happy this year that I was able to find them both ones that I was, I liked and liked the saying in those. And I will be giving them their cards with their baskets. And they have no idea I'm doing this basket for them. As a matter of fact, Madeline wanted to know where her welcome fall basket was this year, and I told her she wasn't getting one. And she didn't like that at all. So yeah, I guess I'm making up for it. That is all I think I have for this haul. So if you stay tuned to the end, I am going to show you what my baskets look like after I get them put together for my girls and my mother. So this is Madeline and Caitlin's basket after I have gotten it completed. They already had these two little mugs from last year. They did come from the Dollar Tree. Everything else in here, of course, I did buy this year and show to you. But those are the only two items that they already had. And I just thought that it would go well with this because of the little peppermint spoons that I bought. I did put in a pack of hot chocolate each. That is milk chocolate. Their gum is there. I tried to make everything fairly visible. The only thing that you cannot see in this basket is the peppermint spoons. And what I did was I just put those in the very back, as you can see, kind of like to help the little antlers stand up. So you don't see those. They won't see that until they actually start taking stuff out of the basket. But I just really liked how this turned out and how cute it is. And they're probably going to say, well, you've already got cups like this. But I'll just explain to them, look, this was just for the presentation purposes. And, they use these cups to drink their hot chocolate in, so they'll understand what that's all about. And then I'm just going to probably, prop their cards up like this. And then that way, when they come in after Thanksgiving dinner, they'll see that sitting on the table. And now I'll show you what my mother's looks like. And this is my mother's basket, and I had a little bit harder time trying to make everything visible in her basket just because of the way things were shaped. But I think I did a pretty okay job. I did want to have the little Santa Claus in the middle here. I did take some hot glue and glue a bell onto the little elf's hat. I just thought it made it look a little bit cuter. And so this is my mom's basket. I'll just have her card setting like that, and that'll be a nice little surprise for my mom on Thanksgiving.